Hey, so today I am going to do a review and demonstration on this Karcher WD 3P.
Yeah, alright, man. That was the close one, but
And
I get the $100 at all.
the reason why I'm doing a review, it's for people, if you're looking and interested in purchasing Karcher WD P3, you're going to be watching this video just to make sure this vacuum is not a bad one. This video is just to tell you what I think about this. So the first thing I'm going to do is let me show you all the features this vacuum cleaner has. So I'll show you everything, all the features this vacuum cleaner has. So you have your hose where you just I'll show you. You take off this hose, you push the button in until you hear this click. And I'll show you. That's the first feature this has. This is the let me remove it again. This is the inlet port. And let me turn the vacuum round, and this is the outlet port, which blows air. I'll show you how you connect your hose. You connect it right there until the hose clicks into place. And try to pull it to make sure it don't goes anywhere, which is good. So you remove it, and this is where it blows. So you can connect your hose. When you put your hose there, it blows dirt instead of sucking it. If you connect it here, it's gonna blow dirt. And if you connect it there, it's gonna suck it in. And this is a plug here in order to plug your. That's where usually you're gonna connect it there to plug in your tool. That's the first feature. And there's your this is your. The way you usually put it here for when you're using your tool. And this is the off button. And this is the on button for when you're doing it on your daily use. Let's put it in the off position. And the feature I really like about it is that it has it has this cover on there, so no oils from your skin or moisture goes onto the switch. And I will show you around this vacuum. And this is the back layer where you store your tools. This way you store your usually you put in there, usually to store your crevice tool. I'll show you. This one was made in 2016. And this one is the 100 horsepower.
Okay, I want you to stand up. Tell everyone wearing a diaper.
We've had this vacuum 5 years. So I'm just going to tell people what I think of this vacuum, my thoughts of this vacuum after the 5 years of having it. So I'm just going to show you everything on this vacuum. This is a wet dry vacuum. So I'm just going to move this vacuum round. I'm just going to spin it round and round. I'll show you everything inside the vacuum. Unclip the sides. This clip is broken, so I do need to fix it. So this is your filter, and this is your bag. It's just a try down. I'm not using a regular bag. And I'll show you. This is your hose, and I'm gonna use the inlet port for now. And I'm showing you, this is your hook to hold your cable. And I'll show you another feature this vacuum has. It has this slot there, and you just put it there. For when you're not using your vacuum cleaner, you can put it in there. You can put it in there for when you're not using it. You can just pop that when you're not using it. You just pop that in there instead of throwing the tool on the floor and leaning it against something. So, another thing about this vacuum, this is a wet dry vacuum. It can suck water. I'm just gonna
Alright, you've done well.
So I'm done showing all of the features on this vacuum. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to I'm gonna demonstrate it. I'm gonna demonstrate this vacuum. I'll show you how you use this one. So before I start doing anything, you can just do it like this, just like I'm doing. It's a lot quick. It makes it a lot quicker if you're in a rush using your Karcher WD P3. So plug it in. So let me plug it in, so I can just demonstrate it. So I put it on the blow mode, as you can see. So let me just move this above the. So let me blow some dirt. Let me turn it on. As you can see, it's blowing really well. It's got so much power. Just like I said about this, it's very, very powerful. This is such a powerful vacuum. This is a very strong vacuum. This vacuum, if you put it like that means you're blowing without sucking it in.
To my brother's pets.
That's a very good vacuum to have. It's a very good feature to have. So I'm just showing you this feature it has. So I'm just gonna demonstrate it on more. I'm just gonna use it on wet. So let me connect the hose here. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm just put it on the suction mode. I'm just gonna clean up some wet wet dishes. There's the tap dripping. We're not focusing on the tap today. There's a bit of water that spilled there. Bit of water that spilled there. Let's move the glass out the way so we can vacuum up the spillage. Let's turn the vacuum on. Let's vacuum up all this water. As you can see, it's doing really well. Not gonna lie. And as you can see, this vacuum did very well. It's been very good. And I'll show you a bit of some mess there. I'm going to demonstrate it on there. I can't show this bag on camera. Let me do it like that real quick. We're just going to focus on the vacuum for most of the video. So let me do this dirty surface there. I'm just going to turn the vacuum on so you can see. Let's see if this vacuum can pick all this dirt up. As you can see, look how well this vacuum did. This vacuum's done pretty well. Oh, I forgot this on there. Let me do it. Wow, I'm not gonna lie. What he's doing. I guess you're gonna be commenting. Wow, this vacuum did pretty well. I'm making a video. So, this vacuum did pretty well. Not going to lie. So I'm just gonna use the floor tool on something. So we connect it like this and securely put it into place. Let me turn the vacuum on so I can see how well this will do. See if this is the power. Oh no. A nice floor tool. It's very handy for cleaning confined spaces. Just clean it all up. Like that. We'll just do here. As you can see, look how well this vacuum did. It picked up some confetti from there. This vacuum, it did very well. It cleaned up super well, which is pretty good. Then I'm just going to here, from there, like that. Wow. Wow. So, that's my congrats for this video, so I can know what I think of the Karcher WD P3P. That's what I'll tell you all the things that I think about this vacuum cleaner. So, today, I'll show you everything I think of this vacuum. I'll show you the good points. The plus point about it is that it's so powerful. It can make hard floors perfectly clean. Another thing. Another good thing is that it's got a plug here. It's a very good feature to have. Another good feature is that it's a wet dry vacuum. It can pick up water if you need to. So,
let's do it. A few moments later. We planned a very fun day.
So this vacuum is pretty good. It's so powerful. This was made in Romania. That's one of the good points about it. Is that it's very easy to use in seconds.
How the hell am I gonna jump with a broken leg?
So it's a very good vacuum cleaner to have. And another thing as well about this vacuum, the bad points are is that it's very noisy, and another thing also is that it doesn't have any moving parts. Another thing is trying to clean the filter. Another bad point is another bad thing about it is trying to clean the filter. That's one of the bad things about this vacuum. But it's a very good vacuum. It has so much power. It's a wet dry vacuum. This vacuum did pretty well. Not going to lie. Someone's asking, do I recommend it? The answer is yes, I do recommend this vacuum. The only problem is that it doesn't remove dog hair like an upright vacuum. It doesn't have any moving parts. So, if you like this review, hit thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer this. Remember to ring the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching.